you tired of sanding on your knees? Or sanding on a ladder to get those hard-to-reach places? Whether you're resurfacing a deck, repainting your house, or have a DIY project, SandReach can help you get the job done fast. From decking, siding, fascia and eaves, baseboards, drywall, and those hard-to-reach places, helping you to tackle your next sanding project with ease. SandReach is a universal fit to most sanders, including dewalt, rigid, milwakee, makita, ryobi, and many more. Say goodbye to back pain. No more hand fatigue. All for just $14.99. SandReach, sanding made easy.